Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RS Taichi Rubber Knuckle RST 447 short riding gloves. Okay, the RST 447 rubber knuckle glove from Taichi retails for $49.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update the videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing on this glove, let's jump into that. I have on a 2X right now. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I would say these run true to size. A little qualifier, if you're right at the upper end of the size chart, say the upper end of the size chart for a large, okay? And you know most large gloves, when they're brand new, you get a little bit of a snug fit. You might want to go up to an extra large. I'm not going to go as far as to say as these run a size smaller than marked, but I would say just a tickle to the tight side. Who is this glove right for? This glove is right for a rider that wants maximum airflow with a reasonable measure of protection, okay? At $49.95, you're only really going to get a glove that is so technical. Speaking of protection, we have a rubber knuckle under here. You get some nice impact protection from that. Abrasion resistance is going to be managed here in the palm of the glove. We've got Clarino here. We've got a Clarino overlay where your hands touch the bar to help the gloves last a little bit longer. And then an overlay here with a little, feels like a little EVA foam behind it in the palm area to help aid in protection. But really, this is about feel and airflow. In between each one of the fingers, we've got a nice spandex quality mesh fabric right there. You have your hands on the bars, the wind is driving in, just going to really keep you cool and super comfortable. Touchscreen compatible on the index finger as well as the thumb. If you happen to ride with your phone, like on a mount on the bars, you have a GPS, these are going to be compatible with that. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I handle all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all out.